Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. So it is Friday, so happy Friday. Steve and I woke up early. We did a workout. I was gonna film that, but our place is literally a mess because we're like fixing, painting, redecorating, like all that stuff. So didn't film that, but we did work out. We ate breakfast, got ourselves Starbucks coffee, and yeah, now it's lunchtime. We're working from home today, so it was lunch, so we went and we picked up some Chipotle with the boys, and now we are heading home. But gonna go home, eat lunch, watch one episode of Schitt's Creek because we're so obsessed with it, and then we're gonna continue working, wrap up the day, and do some at-home stuff. So I'll take you guys along for that. It might not be that interesting because we're just going to be doing like little home improvement things, but I'll show you guys what we do. And yeah, all right guys, I will see you all in a little bit. Hi guys, welcome to the vlog. So I'm just wearing like working clothes. As you can tell, this has paint on it already. So Steve and I are gonna finish up our living room, dining room area. We're doing like the molds today, so I'll show you what that looks like. And yeah, as you saw, we already ate breakfast. We also worked out, and we're gonna get the day started. All right guys, see you all in a bit. Hi guys, so, oh my god, don't mind me. Steve and I have been like running around all day. We ended up sanding all the baseboards, taping everything. I'll show you that in a second. We're gonna change our door. Bought a door, it didn't fit. I'll insert a funny clip of Steve trying to fit in the car with the door in the car, so I'll insert that here.
Open the windows.
Steve, are you okay? But yeah, so we tried to do that, ended up returning it, and now we just got back and we said we're gonna work with the door we have. Now we're gonna go ahead and start painting the molds. So I'm just gonna show you what we like taped up and sanded. Okay, so here is everything that's taped up. These are gonna be white baseboards. But yeah, we just sanded them, cleaned them off. Don't mind all our million bags. And yeah, we did this, come all the way right here. We did all this. There's Steve pouring the paint here, all of this. So yeah, that's everything I'm gonna paint. I'm gonna do that right now. Got my handy dandy brush with a little curve, waiting for Steve to pour me the paint, and I'm gonna get started. All right guys, I'm gonna go ahead and do this, and I'll see you all in a bit. Okay guys, I took a mini break because the ice cream truck came, so Steve got us ice cream. So we're gonna go ahead, eat some ice cream, and continue with this whole thing. I like don't even want to show you because it's such a mess, but I'll insert some clips of the progress. But yeah, cheers. Hi guys, happy Sunday. So yes, I'm wearing the same clothes as yesterday because we're gonna still continue painting and getting everything ready, and I got like a couple paint drops on this already, so I didn't want to just like mess up other pieces of clothing. But yeah, so doing that. We woke up early this morning. We went food shopping, Trader Joe's. I was gonna show you guys a Trader Joe's haul, but our heater broke, so the guy ended up coming and I just couldn't. But maybe later on I'll like show you what we ended up getting for the week. And then we also got Starbucks and breakfast. So this is my yummy breakfast. So good. It's a spinach and feta cheese omelet with home fries. Super delicious. And then we ended up going to Starbucks and I found this good drink. I literally found it on Pinterest. So I basically almost finished it. It's a grande cold brew. It's like a pumpkin grande cold brew, but like 70 calories. So it has 2% milk, it has pumpkin and vanilla in the cold foam, and then 1 pump of, or like 1 scoop of like pumpkin sauce, and then 2 pumps of sugar-free vanilla. But yeah, 70 calories, super yummy, and I actually feel like I'm drinking coffee, whereas the regular iced pumpkin latte, sometimes it's too milky for me and it just kind of grosses me out. I feel like there's no coffee in it. So yeah, really like this one, 70 calories and super yummy. So Steve and I are gonna go ahead and eat breakfast, technically brunch because it's like 12, and then we're gonna get to fixing up this place. So I will see you all in a bit. Hi guys, so it's a little bit later. We ended up doing some home stuff. Don't mind Steve, he is like changing my light that like won't turn on, and he's also changing my my fixture. So I'm gonna have like a chandelier. I'm gonna buy a new one and put it up. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead, get ready. I showered. I'm gonna go ahead and just go in and take pics. So sorry, he's like all over the place. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, get ready, and I'll see you all in a bit. Hi guys, so Steve, the pups, and I are going to go shoot some content right now. We are driving around town to go shoot on location, and yeah, then we're going to Steve's dad's house for dinner. So yeah, don't mind my hair, I just showered, so this is like air dry. It looks kind of funky, but yeah. All right guys, I will see you all in a bit, but yeah, gonna go take some content pics. Hi guys, so we are done shooting outfit pics. They came out fabulous. Steve is really a pro. So now we are on our way to Steve's dad's house for dinner. Very excited because we are starving. Like you saw, we only ate brunch today, so we're pretty hungry. We don't know what we're gonna eat, but it's gonna be so yummy. So can't wait to do that and just chill out for the rest of the evening. But if we do anything else, I'll obviously keep you guys posted. All right guys, see you later. Hey guys, so Steve and I got back from Steve's dad's house. We ended up eating dinner there, like I said, which was so yummy, and like we hung out with like his family, which was really nice. I filmed a video as soon as I got back, so I just finished that. We ended up getting Dunkin'. This is hot chocolate, but like we always split a large. So yeah, we ended up getting hot cocoa. So now we're gonna sit, watch Schitt's Creek, and drink some hot cocoa. I'm trying to think, and then just like hang out for the night. So I will see you all later, but if I don't, thank you guys so much for watching this vlog, and I'll see you all next week's vlog. Bye guys.